and its impact. We turn to Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo. Rob, how long will it take for these areas to drain completely?
Well, it's going to take a while. It's probably going to be at least another 4 or 5 days. With Hurricane Rita, a lot of that water didn't get back into the Gulf of Mexico, flowing from the marsh back into the Gulf until beyond a week. This one was not as widespread as Rita, nor did it penetrate as far inland, but nonetheless, it came down to the angle the storm came in. The center, the eye of the storm coming in right over Cameron, so our storm surge was highest mainly east of the Calcasieu Pass area as you go farther to the east, and you can see the difference between green and then dark, the dark being that salt water that penetrated inland. And this was several days after the storm. We saw even more than that, but probably before we could get a satellite image. But again, inundation as high as 17 feet reports over toward Rockefeller and Grand Chenier. And I'm going to go down, investigate that, and do some analysis this weekend. Now, take a look as we get further inland, just near right by Cameron. This is 82 rather right here. This is your before picture, and here's your after picture. And notice just slabs left, and when this picture was taken, they were still underwater, it appears. Again, your before picture. And again, here's your after picture. An unbelievable damage here. And these are just not camps. These are homes as well. So certainly a major situation. Then you get further inland. Here's Lake Charles, south side of Lake Charles, just east of the airport and the National Weather Service. Here's your before picture and then your after picture. And this is pure wind damage. I estimated gusts as high as about 130 or 140 in spots. So your before and after. So every structure I went and investigated this past weekend was damaged, and most cases heavily damaged from the storm, with trees down, roofs off, and that sort of thing. So thinking about our friends to the west, and will continue to do so, as there's going to be a long road ahead for recovery and rebuilding. Weather-wise for us locally, it's going to be a warm one tonight, near 80 the low. Tomorrow back into the lower 90s, that heat index in the low 100s, and rain chances staying quite low. And you may have noticed the haze today. Well, the African dust is back and it's going to be with us again for tomorrow, but changes down the road in the forecast. Plus a look at the tropics, things happening there as well, all coming up in just a little bit.